In this video, how to add area. In the sidebar, click the table menu. There are 3 tabs: area, tables, QR code. Select area. The area list screen will be open, showing in the existing area floor. In the top right corner, click add area button. An area details form will be appear on the screen. Enter the area name. For example, area name is first floor. Click save button. If you want to add second floor, click add area. Here enter second floor and then click save button. And if you add ground floor, again add click button. Here enter ground floor and then click save button. If we want to update the floor, in right corner, click update button. Update the floor and then click save button. If you want to delete the floor, click delete icon. Thank you.